Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Miller's motivational message for this week. I am your P&I specialist, Mr. Miller, and today I want to talk about a very important subject. So last week, one of my students called me. He's like, Mr. Miller, man, I'm so stressed out because these teachers are giving us so much work. They giving us more work virtually than they was giving when we was in class. All this work is just too much. Come on, I'm just getting overwhelmed. That a lot of you may feel the same way this young man was feeling. I know it may seem overwhelming because it's a lot of work. If you take some time to organize your work for the week, it really can make a big difference. So that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about how to get organized. So there are two ways that you can really organize your work. One, you need to get a planner. Now, there's lots of different planners you can get. You can go to the store and get the really big, fat, expensive $30, $25, $45 planner. If you got it like that, if you got a bag like that to go get you an expensive planner, go ahead. You living on a budget like your boy, Mr. Miller, then you don't need a super planner. The whole point is you need to have visuals. Visuals really do make a big difference in organizing your work. It could be something as simple as getting a little notebook, a little spiral notebook. This is like 25 cents, 30 cents. How much is this? I don't know. Things to do list. And you put all the stuff that you want to get done for that week. If you are a Heritage High School ninth grader, then Heritage High School gave the freshman class planners. Class of 2024, use your planner. Plan your day, write them down, and as you are executing your task, you scratch them out. Another way to create a planner is through email. All emails have a calendar. Gmail has a calendar. I don't know if people even use Yahoo anymore. So a calendar is really, really good. You can get your big wall calendar and put all the stuff that you need to do. So when you're talking about managing your time, it starts with how much time you're getting in your day. Because once you wake up late, you're not rushing through everything. So going to bed is super important. If you have school nights, set yourself a curfew, go to sleep. Make sure you're getting yourself enough time to get enough rest, to get up on time, to do the things that you need to do during the day. All right, so make sure you're setting realistic goals. You want to make sure that the time that you have, you're allotting only things you actually can accomplish in the time that you're giving yourself. All right, so set realistic goals here. Right, so you're working and you still trying to do all your asynchronous work, and you trying to do stuff at home, and you trying to do your chores, and you babysitting for your auntie, and you practicing for this and practicing for that. You are still a student. You want to make sure that you're prioritizing your studenthood. Like, you're still a student first. I have a saying: if you're trying to be everything to everybody, you will ultimately be nothing to anyone. You can't be everywhere. You can't do everything. Don't overpromise or make over commitments and then underdeliver. You can't do 100 tasks. There's no need of you putting 100 things on your things to do list. All right? Be realistic. If you can realistically do 10 things, then do 10 things. So get things done when you say you're going to do them. If you put your time, you make your things to do list, or you got on your calendar, on your planner, on Monday, A day, I'm going to do A, B, and C. Don't do A, B, and say, well, I'm going to take a nap and I'll just do C tomorrow, because you already got things allotted for tomorrow. So do things when you say you're going to do them. This has a lot to do with people who like to procrastinate. What can be done today, do it today. Don't put off tomorrow what could be done today. Last note here, this is a big one. All right, you want to leave room for error. You want to leave time for problems. You don't want to schedule your day or schedule your tasks so tight that if something go wrong with one thing, it causes a domino effect and your whole day is shot. For example, I'm going to do work here from 10 to 11, and then at 11, I'm going to do this, and from 11 to 12, I'm going to do this, and then from 12 to 1, I'm going to do this, and then from 1 to 2, I'm going to do this. You need room for error. You got to schedule that tight. If something happened at 10 o'clock, your whole schedule going to be shot. You want to schedule yourself to where it's like, okay, from 10 to 10:45, I'm going to do this. Then from 11:15 to 11:50, I'm gonna do this. So now you got a 20-30 minute window. You schedule time to deal with things that are unexpected, because you have to expect the unexpected things are going to happen, things are going to come up. You want to keep your schedule flexible that way. So those are just a few tips. I hope that they're useful. I know it's tough. I know it's hard. I know it's different, but we are held strong, and you can do all things. You can do it. I believe in you, and I know that you can do it. Just a little organization can go a long way. If you need me, y'all always know where to find me. I'm always on Is Learning, so hit me up if you need me. Stay safe out there. Use these things. Make a planner. Stick to your schedule. Manage your time. Get you sleep, and you will find out that you will be very successful as we move through this virtual semester. And until we meet again, until we're able to be with each other safely, make sure that you continue to stay safe, stay clean, stay healthy, happy, and whole. And I'll see you real soon. Peace.